You are gonna go and buy Bounty?
Yeah, I want to try.
Well, try the coconut one. There's lime, there's spice, there's coconut. Open up the truck. Oh, there's probably who selling it.
How much for that one?
25.
That's fine.
And another one too?
Just the regular, the rum.
The gold, the gold.
Premium gold, yeah. How much that one?
So I'll tell you, I'll give you the exact price. 700, yes? That's $29.25. So together is $54.45.
Bounty. Coconut rum.
They're not opening the truck, eh?
I think they open it on the side. Just have a door.
Whoa! You want Coke?
Can we get some? You? Oh, what is it?
Bad.
Is it wine? How much is the wine? $16. Did we need wine? Yeah, we need 2 wine.
25%. That's why. 2 bottles. From the bounty truck. $26. 1 liter. $7.50.
They look the same.
What's that?
They look the same. No, they don't.